What's up, everybody? I'm Johnny from Outlaw Production Solutions, where we have solutions for your productions. And today we have a solution for your inspection of your chainsaws, Exhibit A, Exhibit B, because yesterday we inspected these machines and we discovered something that nobody on the internet's talking about. No YouTube videos, no vlogging, no blogging, no dogging, no nothing. People, nothing. So today we're going to break the internet down and we're going to blow it out because we have something very important to teach you today. It is imperative, people, that you pay attention and you do a proper inspection of these machines, because what we discovered, people are suffering from anxiety attacks, heart attacks, and various other health problems. Okay, so this is very, very important. So also we'll be joined by a special guest, none other than Jake. So Jake will be with us a little bit later. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back with chainsaw inspection, life or death. I'm Johnny, Outlaw Production Solutions. We're here solutions for your productions. Yeah, we do. Hey, what's up? It's Johnny, Outlaw Production Solutions. What we have today is a safety tip. While working on repairing a chainsaw, make sure that you always check your chainsaw for Jake. Yes, I said Jake. Exercise caution. Safety first.